In today's class, we will learn about greedy technique. Greedy, tech, greedy technique is an algorithm, or greedy strategy is an algorithm that always tries to find the solution for each subproblem with the hope that this will yield a good solution for the problem as a whole. Greedy algorithms are simple and straightforward and easy to invent, easy to implement, and most of the time quite efficient. Some well constructed greedy algorithms yield optimal solutions while others do not. A greedy algorithm always makes the choice that looks best at the moment. They are short sighted in their approach in the sense that they take decisions on the basis of information at hand without worrying about effect these decisions may have in the future. That is the reason why greedy algorithms do not always yield optimal solutions. For many problems, they may yield optimal solutions. This method is quite powerful and works well for a wide range of problems. While solving the problems using this technique, at each step the choice must be made. And there are certain terminologies which are associated with the greedy method. First is the feasible. Satisfying the problem constraint is called as feasible. And locally optimal. It has to be the best local choice among all possible feasible choices available. Irrevocable. Once the choice is made, it should not be changed in subsequent steps of the algorithm. Hence, we can say that a greedy method is a simple strategy of progressively building up a solution one element at a time by choosing the best possible element at each stage. At each stage, a decision is made regarding whether or not a particular input is an optimal solution. This is done by considering the inputs in an order determined by some selection procedure. If the inclusion of the input into the partially constructed optimal solution will result in an infeasible solution, then this input is not added into the partial solution. The selection procedure itself is based on some optimization measure. Several optimization measures are plausible for a given problem. Most of them, however, will result in algorithms that generate suboptimal solutions. This version of greedy technique is called subset paradigm. Some of the examples of the greedy method are knapsack problem, job sequencing with deadline, single source shortest path, and minimum cost spanning tree. Now we'll see the algorithm. Here greedy is the name of the algorithm, which consists of inputs, n inputs, and solution is a variable which is initialized to null. For a set of inputs, select a input and assign it to variable x. If the solution, that is if x is feasible, then only the solution you are going to add it into the solution, and that is considered as optimal.